In today's video, we're going to look at a calculus question. In particular, we're going to look at a question where we have to find the derivative of f with respect to x using first principle. The question that we are looking at is November 2021, question 9.1. So the question is, determine f prime x from first principle. If it's given that f of x is equal to 2x squared minus 3x. So the formula we're going to use here is f prime x is equal to the limit as h approaches 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. So that is the formula that we use to differentiate or to find the derivative using first principle. So that will be the limit as h approaches 0. Then now we're going to work out f of x plus h, which we go to this function where there is x, we substitute x plus h. So that will be 2, where there is x, x plus h all squared, minus 3, again there's x, you substitute x plus h, minus f of x, and f of x is just that, so it's going to be 2x squared minus 3x. I'm using brackets here because f of x is actually 2 terms here, and then all over h. Then we continue, its limit as h approaches 0, then we have 2. Now we open 2 brackets, which is x plus h, x plus h, minus 3, x plus h, minus 2x squared minus 3x all over the h. Then we continue the limit as h approaches 0, 2 into, when you multiply this thing out, we should get x squared plus 2xh plus h squared, and then let's leave that as it is, 3x plus h minus 2x squared minus 3x all over the h. Then we continue, limit as h approaches 0. Now we're just going to multiply out by the 2. So it's going to give us 2x squared plus 4xh plus 2h squared. Then I multiply by the negative 3. You get minus 3x minus 3h. Then you multiply by this negative. You get minus 2x squared minus plus 3x, and then all over h. Now, at this point, we're going to cancel the terms that cancels. Normally, the terms that don't have an h will cancel. So 2x squared will cancel with 2x squared, and then 3x and 3x. Then what are we left with? You still have a limit as h approaches 0, 4xh plus 2h squared minus 3h all over h. Then we take out h as a common factor. We'll have the limit as h approaches 0, so it's h. For the first term, you're left with 4x, second term 2h, and then last term minus 3 all over h. Now this h will cancel with that h, and please note you can't cancel this h and that h. Okay. Then the final answer will be what? You substitute h to be 0 in this expression, this 2h that gives us 0, so you'll have 4x minus 3. So that's the end of the question.